Hey, what's going on everyone? Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite is reportedly coming to India and some of its specifications have been leaked online. So in this video we will discuss what we know so far about Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite. We would recommend you to watch this video till the end for your better understanding. My name is Obik and this is Phone Politics. Let's begin. Before we jump right into the video, if you still not subscribed to Phone Politics, make sure you smash the subscribe button along with the bell icon to get all the notifications about our latest uploads. Xiaomi Mi 11 was launched in China last month and Mi brand's marketing lead Sumit Sonal has confirmed that the phone will launch in India as well. Mi 11 Lite has been in the rumors for a while now and it is expected to launch in China sometime in March. Xiaomi Mi 11 global launch is scheduled for February 8. The latest Xiaomi flagship smartphone is expected to launch in India very soon. Alongside, Xiaomi could also unveil the Mi 11 Lite and the Mi 11 Pro at the event. We already have made a separate video on Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro. You can watch the video by clicking on the I button above. While we wait for the official confirmation, some Mi 11 Lite specifications have been leaked online. According to Digital Chat Station, the Mi 11 Lite will come with a yet-to-be-announced Qualcomm Snapdragon 775G SoC. The processor is likely a successor to the Snapdragon 765G found on OnePlus Nord, Vivo X50 Pro and Vivo V20 Pro etc. The tipster further reveals that the Mi 11 Lite will sport a 64-megapixel primary camera. The optics at the back will also include a 5x zoom feature. Details about the other camera sensors are still unknown at the moment. The device will also sport a OLED display with a hole punch cutout. It is unknown if the display will come with a high refresh rate support or not. The Mi 11 Lite launch is tipped for February 2021. Xiaomi is yet to make an official announcement on the same. The company, however, had launched the Mi 11 alongside MIUI 12.5 on February 8. Now let's talk about what specifications are we getting in Mi 11. Xiaomi Mi 11 sports a 6.81-inch AMOLED panel with QHD Plus resolutions and a 120Hz refresh rate. The device is protected by Gorilla Glass Victors similar to what we saw on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. At the back, Xiaomi has equipped the Mi 11 with a triple camera setup. There is a 108-megapixel primary sensor with a 7p lens and f1.85 aperture. The main camera is paired with a 13-megapixel ultra-wide camera with a 123-degree field of view and a third 5-megapixel macro lens. Additionally, the hole punch camera cutout on the front houses a 20-megapixel selfie shooter. Under the hood, the Mi 11 features the latest Snapdragon 888 SoC. It is paired with up to 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and up to 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. The device packs a 4600 mAh battery with 55W wired fast charging support and 50W wireless charging support. It also supports 10W reverse charging and will work with Quick Charge 4 Plus, Quick Charge 3 Plus and Power Delivery 3.0 adapter. Xiaomi has taken a page out of Apple's playbook, not including a charger in the retail box. However, Xiaomi will provide a 60W GAN adapter for free if the buyer doesn't have a compatible charger. So that is all we know so far about Mi 11 Lite. We'll make a separate video on this when we got all the information about this phone. If you have any question regarding this video, you can leave your comment down below. Please hit the like button if you really find this video useful. If you still not subscribed to Phone Politics, make sure you smash the subscribe button. So see you guys all in the next video. Sayonara.